How to use Myfitnesspal app for weight loss. Firstly, you have to open Myfitnesspal app. You can see your diary here. You have to honestly manage or follow your diet plans, your exercise and workouts plan. In this way, if you honestly follow that routine, in this way you will easily lose your weight by following the instructions and the plans of MyFitnessPal app. Please consider, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.